Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to type rupee sign in MS Word. So to insert rupee symbol in MS Word, click on insert, then symbol, more symbols. Now here subset, select currency symbols and here select Unicode HEX and select this rupee symbol. Also guys, you can use this character code 20B9 and shortcut key for rupee symbol 20B9 alt plus x then click on insert. So as we can see now, this rupee symbol very simple and easy. Insert and symbol, more symbols, and use this character code 20B9 and click on insert. So this is the way guys to type rupee symbol in MS Word. Thanks for watching.